So Wendy, as much as both Eric and Nina have these challenges within a single organization, you are trying to navigate what? How many companies are in the centrifuge?
I'm the Chief Innovation Officer in the Midwest. No, just kidding.
I mean, you've got a lot of companies that you're kind of navigating this among all of them.
Right. So on the Big Co side, for those of you that stood up, I've never been a global executive, and I'm not the Chief Innovation Officer of anything. I was really recruited and hired to the Midwest, which I'd never lived in before, from San Francisco, not kidding, to help the region, which includes 3 states, Southeast Indiana, Northern Kentucky, and Southwest Ohio, yes, to build the next generation of economic vibrancy, big words, that's what was said to me, through startup innovation. So grok that. My bosses are the largest global organizations in that region, 15 counties, if you will. They are Procter & Gamble, they are Kroger, they are Children's Hospital. It's a lovely cross-industry mix. Cool, right? Financial services, healthcare, CPG, retail, all the ones that are going through challenging times. The best job in the world I've had, and I've had a bunch of jobs, I've worked mainly for startups, but this is the best one, and here's why. We have a natural right to win relative to building a tech-based economy in our part of the Midwest. A right to win. Why? Because we have 140 companies, and I have a bunch of bosses that need innovation, not just to meet up some cool people with some tattoos and great glasses, but they really, and beard, of course, and necklaces. Now, you would be you'd be out there in our little town, I just got to say. But we love you anyway, so you can come visit. But the point is, they know they need a new way of thinking to drive a new culture, and also they need specific capability for supply chain, for cybersecurity, for customer experience, for. They need that. And even though their stacks might be challenged because they've been around a lot, their technology stacks, they're still open. So I have the good pleasure to connect our startups, and we have over 470 in our region. We had 11 when I got there, 470, that's awesome, yay. We know who they are, what they're building, how much money they've raised, we're the stats, we're the census takers, and we also love them, feed them, give them customers, give them money, not us personally, we find money. But think how cool that is. And in 40 months, large companies, the ones I've mentioned and others, have engaged with startups 99 times, that's a real number, and they've actually paid for pilots. And that's the beginning of our technology-based economy. This is real work, and it's fun work. We couldn't do it without the demand of the large companies. Not saying that was easy, but they decided, they gave us a strategy, and we've executed on it relatively well.